Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to take a look at this Otto AI Box P3 from Ottocast. And we will be installing this device into my Nissan Pathfinder. Let's go and check this out. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome again for another unboxing and review. Today we got this latest product from Ottocast. This is the all-new upgraded Otto AI Box P3. A very powerful device which seamlessly switches between Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and AutoDrive 2.0. AutoDrive 2.0 is an upgraded user interface which has more features, a very user-friendly design, and a customizable UI, which I'm going to show you later as we go along in this video. Okay, so now let's see what's inside the box by taking off the sleeves. So we got this beautiful and very elegant design Otto AI Box P3. It's different from other devices out there, which is typically square in shape. This one is a round shape with nice and glossy finish design. Very sleek, beautifully made with Ottocast branding in the center. At the back, it has vents around it to prevent the device from heating. It has pinhole reset in case you want to reset the system and put it back to its original state. At the bottom, it has mini HDMI slot to share your dashboard screen with a headrest monitor so your passenger can also enjoy watching videos and movies at the back of the car. You can also use this Otto AI Box P3 as a TV box so you can enjoy watching movies on the big screen. It has Type-C port to power up the device. It has nano SIM card support so you can connect to the internet using your data. It has TF card slot as well so you can expand your storage up to 256 gig. Okay, next we got here is the bypass power cable. You can use this if your car doesn't have enough power to power up this device. Next we got our two USB cables. One USB Type-C to Type-C, and the other one is USB Type-C to Type-A. If any of these cables work to power up the device, then you don't need to use this bypass power cable. We also have here a user manual which is printed on both English and Chinese. And lastly, a simple guide on how to install this device. Alright guys, before we jump into installing this device into my infotainment system, I'll just give you a quick run through of the specifications. This Otto AI Box P3 is running on Android version 12 with Qualcomm 665 octa-core CPU. It has 8 GB of memory and a 128 GB of storage and expandable up to 256 GB via TF card. It has dual Bluetooth and a dual band Wi-Fi, built-in GPS for your navigation apps. It's a 3-in-1 system which supports wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and a full Android operating system functionality. Okay guys, now let's connect this device to my infotainment system. First, I have to insert my nano SIM card. Just open this cover right here to access the SIM card slot. This will provide a data connection so you can access the internet. But if you guys don't have a SIM card, that's totally fine. You can just use Wi-Fi and connect this into your mobile phone's personal hotspot. You can also insert your TF or micro SD card here for more storage if you have one. Now let's plug in the cable. I will be using a USB Type-C to connect this device into my car. Then plug the other end to the Otto AI Box P3. Now the device is powering up as the light turns on, as you can see here. Let's wait for a few seconds while the device is establishing a connection into my infotainment system. Now the Otto AI Box P3 is already connected and it's now starting up. Let's just wait a few more seconds for the device to completely boot up. And there you go guys. Look how the screen turned into a very nice looking interface. So this is the Otto AI Box P3 home screen. is called the AutoDrive 2.0. And as you can see, it's a beautiful user interface. This comes with the pre-installed apps like YouTube, Disney+, Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, IPTV app, and other useful apps on this device. On the side of the screen, you will see the clock, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and your signal indicator. Tapping this icon will open your app drawer, where all your apps are located. You get a control center where you can easily access your system settings, your Wi-Fi, cellular data, Bluetooth, and GPS. You can also see here how your device is performing, how many RAM and ROM available, and a lot more. I really like the new look of the interface, to be honest. It's nicely laid out. One more thing I like here is that you can do split screen. Not just that, you can actually customize which screen you want to open in just one tap of a button. Just add widget and configure it by selecting the two apps you want to open. So here I will show you. As you can see, I am setting up a split screen widget by selecting two apps. First app is the Google Maps, and the second one is the Spotify app. So once done, just tap Use, and it will add shortcut on your home screen. When you tap the shortcut, it will open the two apps in split screen. It's a great feature to have, and you can add more shortcuts or widgets as much as you want. Here, you can adjust the window according to your preference. If you want the other window bigger or smaller, you can just drag the window to the left or right. This is a very nice feature of the Ottocast AI Box P3. Well, other devices can do split screen too, but you cannot adjust the size of the window. But on this device, you can do that. The home screen is customizable. You can add new page as well. Also, you can add widgets. Just long tap the screen and choose the one you like and design your own page according to your taste and needs. So here, you can add time and date, current weather and location, resizable Google Maps widget, add shortcut apps for easy access, and so much more. You can always change the widgets anytime or whenever you want to. Just long tap and drag the widget to remove and replace it with the one you like. Alright guys, now let's test the YouTube app and play a 4K video. Let's check this one here. Volume control on the steering wheel is also working, so no problem with that. I just need to lower down the volume here to avoid any copyright issues. Well, the color of the picture is very crisp, as you can see, and it plays very smooth as well. But of course, it also depends on your internet speed. If you don't have a good internet connection, then the video may not be as good as this one. Now let's try the Disney Plus app and quickly play a movie. So this app is also working well. I actually tried playing some movies before making this video, and it didn't disappoint me. I had no issues at all, and the quality of the sound and the video was very nice and clear. So as you can see here, it has good graphics and it plays very smooth. No delays even if you do a 10-second fast forward. So same thing when I tested the Netflix and Prime Video app. It can play high definition videos. The picture quality was great. It has superior sound quality as well. No deterioration, and I didn't encounter any problem at all. So if you guys love watching movies, I really can say that this product is good for you. This device really step up its game. Alright guys, as you can see, there's a navigation bar right here. If you want to remove this one, just go to the settings, tap personalization, and turn this off. Well, to apply the changes, you need to restart the device by tapping restart. Once the device has been restarted, the navigation bar will disappear. I personally like without the navigation bar because it makes the home screen looks bigger. Well, it's just my personal liking, but if you guys want the navigation bar, it's really up to you. So if you guys reach this part of the video or still watching this video, that only means one thing. You might be interested in purchasing this device. Well, I will put the link in my description or in the comment section for you to check it out. And one more thing guys, you can get a 20% off if you enter Jansen as your coupon code. Alright guys, now let's connect my iPhone to Apple CarPlay. So this is how it works. Your factory wired Apple CarPlay will be converted wirelessly using this Otto AI Box P3. To do this, tap the Multiplay app on your screen. And on your iPhone, go to the settings, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, now tap the Otto AI Box P3, tap pair, tap allow to sync contacts and favorites, and wait for a few seconds. Now tap use CarPlay. And there you go guys. Your Apple CarPlay is now connected wirelessly. And you don't need your cables anymore whenever you want to connect to CarPlay. And all your compatible apps will show here on the screen. You can seamlessly switch between Apple CarPlay and AutoDrive by tapping Exit. Now if you want to go back to Apple CarPlay, just tap the Multiplay again and it will immediately return without any problem. Now let's connect my Android phone to Android Auto. So same steps as we did on Apple CarPlay. By the way guys, this is just a one-time setup and you don't need to do this all over again. Okay, tap the Multiplay app. Go to the settings on your Android phone and turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Now tap on Otto AI Box P3. Now tap pair to allow Bluetooth pairing request. And that's it. You are now connected to Android Auto wirelessly and it's very easy to set up. This is the all new Cool Walk user interface. And tap this button to view all your compatible apps. Alright guys, let's go for a quick drive. Let's buckle up first. We will be testing the digital speedometer if it's working. Now I'm putting my shifter to drive. Okay, so far it's working well and it's accurate. Let's go further. Let's stop on the stop sign right here. It's now clear. Let's go. Okay, so the speedometer is really working. This comes with a built-in GPS, that's why it can detect your location and speed.
Take the next right onto McPhillips Street South, Route 180 South. Signs for Manitoba 180 South. Continue on Route 180 South for 1.5 kilometers.
It's really nice to have the split screen function while driving. You have your music on the left side of the screen, and on the right side is your navigation map. That will guide you and give you directions all the way to your destination so you won't get lost. You can also change the music through your steering wheel control. No need to touch your screen, so your eyes is always on the road. One more cool feature of this device is that it has multiple ambient lighting modes which you can easily control with built-in ambient light application. It's very relaxing to see while it changes color, especially at night. So there you have it guys. I hope you like this review of the Ottocast Otto AI Box P3. Again, if you're interested in buying this product, please click the link in my description or in the comment section below. Add coupon code to get 20% off. Just type Jansen before checking out. So that's pretty much it guys. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again on my next video.